I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable the Voice Access voice control feature on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Accessibility in this menu. Step 2. Swipe down to the Interaction Controls section and then tap Voice Access. Step 3. Tap to toggle off Use Voice Access in this menu. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to turn off the Voice Access feature. Step 4. Tap Turn Off. The ability to control your Android device with your voice will be disabled going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.